What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. PNW Card Collector here, back with another video for you. Today I've got a piece of mail here and then a couple of 2019 update packs. This one I bought off of eBay. We'll just kind of cover up the address here. I don't care if you guys see mine. If you guys want to send me something, that's cool. This one's from Memorabilia Explosion. I believe it's 10 cards per pack. I think I'd have to look it up again. I think it's 10 cards in the pack, guaranteed. I think there's one hit guaranteed. We'll see what it says in here. It might actually have a list of everything in here. Yeah, there we go. Thank you for your order. Memorabilia Explosion on Instagram, Twitter, Mem Explosion. So there's that. And this is what it looks like here. Comes in this nice sealed pack here. So we're gonna save this. We're gonna go with the 2019 first. Open these up. Couple of fat packs here. All right. So we got Chris Paddock rookie, Vladdy Jr. rookie, nice. Two nice cards to start out with. Brandon, sorry. Jose Iglesias, John Ryan Murphy, Yasmani Grandal, Nick Ramirez, Asdrubal Cabrera, Gregory Soto, DJ LeMahieu, Miguel Castro, Adam Ottavino, Brad Hand, Ryan Helsley, Hansel Robles, Homer Bailey. We got a gold John Means, and that one is numbered out of 2019. Got a Joey Votto, established 1969 insert, or 1869. Not numbered, cool insert though. Bryce Harper, Jacob deGrom, Dwight Smith Jr., Brandon Kinsler, Austin Allen, wow. Justin Bauer, Nicky Lopez, Ty France, Tommy Cannell, Luis Arias, 14 home runs in April for Yelich, Travis Bergen, Jacques Peterson, Shed Long rookie, Marcus Stroman, and Michael Brantley. Get this second one opened up here. This will be probably a fairly short video today. Like I said, I think there's 10 cards in that rookie explosion pack, or Memorabilia Explosion. Alright. Got Sean Anderson starting us off, Trevor May, Brendan Rodgers, Matt Strom, Austin Riley. That's a rookie debut. Jose Alvarado, old teammates catch up, reunited. Gonzalez and Springer. Paul Goldschmidt, Nate Lowe, Wade Miley. Cervelli scores on walk-off, Steel City Bashers. Southside Warriors, Moncada and Alonso pose. That's, I believe, Yonder Alonso and Yohan Moncada. Shane Bieber, Jose Barrios, Kyle Dowdy, Richard Lovelady, Randy Johnson, back when he was with the Mariners. We got a Martin Maldonado gold foil card. Bryce Harper, Tony Gwynn, Luis Ringifo maybe, Drew Pomeranz, Corbin Martin, Darwinzon Hernandez, Ketel Marte, Cody Bellinger, Pete Alonso, All-Star Game rookie, nice. Matt Festa rookie, put that over there also. Mariner. Dylan Moore, Mariner rookie, nice. Austin Riley rookie. Jordan Lyles, Albert Pujols, 2,000 RBIs, May 9th, 19. Elvis Luciano, and Alex Bregman. Alright, let's get to this pack here with the hits in it. They also have, in some of these packs, they have redemption cards that I'm pretty sure they made the redemption cards, so they have, I believe, autographed baseballs that you can pull, autographed baseball bats, autographed helmets, maybe autographed jerseys. So that's something else we'll be looking for in here as well. Before I get too far, let's double check that pack, make sure it's empty. Yeah, it's empty. Alright. So, starting us off, we got Dallas Keuchel. And that is a vintage stock, I believe. Oh no, it's a heritage. Okay. Reggie Jackson, Bell Bottom Bashers. That's kind of cool. Paul O'Neill, J.P. Crawford, Josh Hamilton, Wes Stock, and this is from 1961. That's cool. 1961 Topps card. It does have some water spotting in it, and a couple of wrinkles. Doesn't look like any major creases, but the corners are quite dinged up. But that's not a bad looking card for 1961. Don Mattingly, Clayton Kershaw. We got Brad Esposito, rookie. Autograph, not rookie, but we got autograph there. And we got another autograph on the back here, and that is Khalil Green. So we did pull two autos out of here. Have to do some looking. I'm not sure what either one of these goes for. It looks like this one has a price tag on the back, $10. It says book value is $25, but I'll have to do some research. But again, you know, I think it was $10 for this product, and pulled two autographs and a, you know, let's see here. No, that Kershaw's not numbered. But to pull two autos and a card from the 60s, you know, from 1961, yeah, it's probably worth the $10 for sure. And it's fun to open. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought. And make sure you go check out Memorabilia Explosion. And, you know, again, I thought it was a good product. I'll probably pick another one or two of these up and see what else we can pull out of there. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post another video, and try and do one every day. And we will catch you on the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a good day, everybody.